Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll be showing you guys how to make an easy but yet delicious barbecue jerk chicken wings. So for this you are going to be needing some chicken seasoning. My friend Camilla brought me this from Jamaica, but you can use any chicken seasoning or all-purpose seasoning. And you're going to be needing about 4 to 5 tablespoons of this Walker's Wood jerk seasoning. And I'm going to be using that Sweet Baby Ray's barbecue sauce. I love this stuff. And for a little zing, I'm going to be using a little bit of this bitter orange, but this is optional. And I have some thyme, and I have some ground cinnamon, about a teaspoon, and I have 1/4 cup of olive oil, 1 lime to clean my chicken, and some onion powder, garlic powder, and a little bit of nutmeg. And I have some chicken wings over here that I'll be using, and some salt and pepper to taste. Please check the description box where I will list everything I used in this video for you guys. So let's get cooking, guys. Alright guys, so to get started you want to go ahead and grab one of your wings, and we are going to separate our wings. So I am cutting in between the two part right here, and if you have a sharp knife it should run right through, even through the bone, as you can see. And this part you want to go ahead and put in a bowl, and I like to cut the end of the wings here. Some people separate this part, so I don't bother doing that. I don't see nothing wrong with it. I used to, but now I don't anymore. So now we are going to go ahead and sprinkle some salt in this so I can clean the chicken. As you can see, I already went ahead and did most of them. So now we are cleaning our chicken. I love doing that. I feel like this not only clean it, but it enhances some great flavor into your chicken before cooking your chicken. If you haven't, please go follow me on Instagram and also on Twitter, and come snap with me on Snapchat. I will leave the link to all my social medias down in the description box for you guys to check out. So all I'm doing is cleaning each piece of the chicken, and then once I'm done doing that, I'm gonna go ahead and rinse it under some really hot water, and then after that we can start seasoning our chicken. Okay, it's time to season our chicken. I'm going to start with 1 teaspoon of that chicken seasoning. It is pretty salty, so you want to really go light-handed with it, guys, if you are using that seasoning. And I'm going to do just a little dash of nutmeg. It's not really coming out, but not too much nutmeg. And about a teaspoon of garlic powder, and about a teaspoon of onion powder as well. I want this chicken to be well seasoned before I start baking it. And also 1 teaspoon of black pepper. And I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of that sour orange or bitter orange. Again, this is optional. If you don't have it, you can use white vinegar if you have that. And I'm going to put in a little bit of my oil, okay, just to combine all those spices. And now I'm going to go in with my nutmeg. And now for the main seasoning, I'm going to take 1, 2, 3, let's call that 4, even though it wasn't as full. Okay. Oh my goodness, it's almost done. So about 5 tablespoons of that jerk seasoning, and we are going to go in with our hands. But before that, I'm going to go ahead and take my time and try to take most of it off the branch as much as you can. Okay. You can use as little or as much time as you'd like. Just like that. I think I got most of it. And now I'm going in with my hand, clean hands of course, and just make sure each piece of the chicken is coated. And I am going to put this in the fridge for at least 6 to 24 hours. If you don't have 24 hours, at least I say 4, but I'm going to put mine in for 6, or if you can do this overnight, it will be best. Again, the jerk seasoning have plenty of salt in it as well, so I'm not gonna be worried about adding in extra salt. Just like that. So now I'm going to cover this and put it in the fridge for, like I said, I'm doing 6 hours. All right guys, now you want to go ahead and turn your oven to 375, and I'm going to take some of that oil and take a brush and just brush some of it on my pan. And I just line the pan with piece of foil, that way I don't have as much of a mess to clean. But if you have cooking spray, you can definitely do this with cooking spray. It will make it quicker. I don't have any cooking spray at the moment. So now all I'm going to do is take my wings and put my wings in the cookie sheet for them to bake. I'm going to bake them for 30 minutes and then turn them to the other side, flip them over and cook them for another 30 minutes. All right guys, it's been about an hour and my chicken is fully cooked, as you can see. Now you want to go ahead and grab a bowl and put all your chicken in that bowl. I already went ahead and started because I knew it was going to take forever to remove all of that chicken, but these taste and look so good already. If you really want to, you could just eat this as it is. Now I'm going to go ahead and remove this, put this to the side. And now you want to go ahead and grab your barbecue sauce and just put some of that barbecue sauce in there. Put as little or as much as you want. This is probably enough for me. Then you want to go ahead and just toss everything up. I'm telling you guys, this is so good. I'm going to put a little more. If you want to make your own homemade barbecue sauce, of course you can, but this is so delicious. Just like that. All right, and now I'm going to take some freshly chopped parsley and just put right on top of it. All right, and of course we are going to give it a taste. I'm going to grab one right here and then just taste. Look inside the chicken, guys. It's so delicious and so juicy and not really as spicy as I thought it was gonna be. It's really decent. Anybody can really eat this, but this will do it for this video, guys. I can't talk with too much chicken in my mouth. This will do it for this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, comment, like, and share. And as always, thank you guys so much for watching, and I love you guys for watching. See you on my next video. Bye bye.